You clicked on this video because you want to know how to schedule a YouTube short. That's right. In this video, I'm about to show you how to schedule YouTube short. So first and foremost, you want to have the app YouTube Studio. As you see, I got YouTube Studio pulled up right here. And once you have YouTube Studio and you're in YouTube Studio, you want to click on that plus button right there. It'll bring you to your videos, and you just select a video, and now look at it right here. So you have caption your short, and notice how visibility, it says private. You want to click on that. You want to make it public, but then boom, right here, the word says schedule. So now what you do is it has the date. It just gives you like a audit date. You click on it, and then you could upload this short November, December, January 2026, and so on and so on. So that's all you would do. And once you click the date that you want and the time, then all you do is just press save, and it saves it, and that YouTube short will be published on the date that you choose, that you select. So it's really simple. Number one, you just need YouTube Studio. Number two, you need to pick a short of your kind that you would like to publish. Number three, that's when you get the date and the time that you want for your YouTube short. And number four, all you do is publish. And when don't get freaked out when it says publish. All it's doing is just publishing for that date that you select. So that's pretty much it. The most important thing is if you get a lot of content, you can schedule it out for so long. It's all up to you and how much content you have. So the best of luck to you. That's just something that I know, and I just want to show you. That's simple, how to upload a short and make it scheduled. Thank you for watching.